What's up, my dudes and dudettes? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I think we're finally gonna get this muffler fixed and get this thing back on the road. Finally, I got all the parts in, I got my tools, I got everything. So we're gonna tear this thing apart today and get it, hopefully, running back on the road. So let's get the cover off, let's get the tools out here, and let's get everything cleaned up so I got a nice workspace, all right? All right. Alright guys, one more thing before we get to work. Just want to show y'all everything I got. I got these muffler clamps. I got them from Amazon. They're, I think, too big, honestly. I don't think they're going to work. So I might have to end up going to like AutoZone or something and getting some other ones that fit. Alright, I got the saw here. But this is what took a week to get here. This took forever to get here. And my Harbor Freight is like 45 minutes away. I was too lazy to drive there. So I was like, I'll just order online. Week and a half. I'm better off driving down there. You got this muffler. I got it from Austin's garage. He had a spare one. It's bent. It's whatever. I'm going to cut here to there. And then from here to there. And string them together with the clamps. And it will just go straight to there. Connect to there. This is what we're doing. So I think we got everything. Let's get to work. All right, guys, we're all set up. Reciprocating saw is ready. Blade is secure. I've never used a reciprocating saw before, so this is my first time. So sorry. I'm wearing safety glasses, so that should count for something, right? Let's get to ripping this old one off and seeing what we can do. All right. And you can tell it's kind of already messed up because I may have gotten a little angry and beat the shit out of it with a mallet, but so. Okay, we got it off. I already sacrificed some blades. I get what I was doing wrong. You're supposed to push this up against what you're cutting, and that keeps the saw from going all over the place and bending in half. So, I already learned. Alright guys, so I don't know what we're gonna do here. I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna do this. We're gonna mock this up. Maybe we'll mock it up on this little bit of tailpipe I got here. Hopefully this works. Hopefully, if not, like I said, I'm gonna run an AutoZone or Advance real quick, get some pieces of tailpipe. I know they sell tailpipe and connectors, and we'll do that because I need to get this thing on the road. I want to get it on the road. All right, guys, this is not gonna work. It's not gonna work. They're smaller than the stock ones. If I had some good C-clamps, it might work, but I don't have enough pipe. This is a lot bigger space in between than I thought it was. So now I need a lot more than I thought I was gonna need to. The C-clamps don't work. I'm gonna have to send those back to Amazon, get my money back. So I'm gonna run on Advance, I think, and see if they have a long enough pipe to go in between this. If not, I'll buy two and just cut it up, even though I've completely destroyed that saw because I have no secure surface to cut on. But yeah, so let me go to Advance, see if I can find something, and then we'll come back, throw it on there. If not, maybe I'll just drive it like it is for right now. So let's go to Advance real quick. I'm not gonna take y'all with me. I'll just come right back. All right, all right. All right, guys, we're back. Ran to Advance real quick. I picked up, if I can pick them up, some adapters and then some more tailpipe. I got two of these, so maybe I can possibly cut them up. I got just some normal C-clamps because if those don't work, I'm gonna return them. So yeah, let's throw these on and see if this will work. Alright guys, I come to you again with yet another failed attempt at fixing this exhaust. Another failed attempt. Tailpipe from Advanced Auto Parts did not work. I went and got a bigger one. Still, too big. Actually, that's a lie. I lied. This actually fits. This actually fits. The problem was with Advanced Auto, who didn't have the right size clamps. So I wasn't able to get clamps. Another failed attempt. Another failed attempt. At least we got the muffler off, so that's good. At least this isn't dangling on there anymore. Took the rest of the tailpipe out. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna maybe take a test drive and see if maybe the muffler was just prohibiting it. Maybe now it'll flow a lot easier. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But yeah, I'll check in with you guys in a little while, or a couple weeks about what's going on. In the meantime, I'll keep working on it and doing little things here and there until I get it. All right. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, guys. I hit 100 subscribers. I'm really excited about that. I'm really excited about that. So hope we keep growing and we keep getting bigger. This keeps getting better. All right. Okay. All right. I failed again. I failed again. I failed again. Again. Bye.